Programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Project. So in this video, show you the breast cancer detection from thermal images. Let's explore one by one folders. Let's open the static folder. These are the input and output images. This will be the input image and this will be the output image, and it will detect the breast cancer in the left hand side with 0.91% accuracy, and the right hand side will be the healthy right with 0.93%. Move right side. This will be the input image and this will be the output, like in the breast cancer in the left hand side and breast cancer in the right hand side 0.8%. Like that you can provide the input and it will give the output image. This will be the CSS file. Let's go back. Now this will be the templates folder, like base, detect, index, login, result, and sign up.html. Let's go back, and this will be the dataset. Let's open the training folder. These are the training images. Like we have used the 759 images for the training. Okay, let's go back, and this will be the label for all the images. Let's go back. Now this will be the app file, and this will be the project model and model code. This will be the requirement file, YOLO V11 algorithm which we are using. Now let's run the project. Open in terminal and then write Python space app.py, then enter. So it will generate the link. We have to just copy that link and paste in any browser. You can press the control button and then click on that particular link. So it will open in the browser. Now there are three sections: home, login, and sign up. So if you have already signed up, then just click on the login button. Otherwise, you have to sign up. test@gmail.com. Okay. And the password, I am entering the same as password and then click on sign up. So welcome test@gmail.com. What this is, this system help detect early sign of breast cancer using a special type of camera that capture body heat. By analyzing this heat pattern, we can spot unusual changes in the breast that might need medical attention. So why thermal scans? Thermal images show heat differences in the body. The cancer cell often create more heat than healthy ones. This make it possible to find issues earlier, sometimes before any symptoms appear. So let's click on the start your checkup. We have to upload the file. So let's click on the choose file and we have to upload that file. I'm just selecting from the training folder. Let's select this image and then click on the submit button. So it will generate the output. Left hand side is healthy with 0.91% and the right hand side will be the breast cancer with 0.90. It will detect it and advise breast cancer right, potential abnormality detected, immediate consultation with a medical professional if is advised. Healthy left, no issue detected by the model. Continue regular checkup and maintain a healthy lifestyle. So let's click on back to detect. Now let's upload any other image. Uploading this image and then click on submit button. It will also show the history, and in the left hand side breast cancer and the right one will be the healthy with their accuracy 0.91 and 0.93% accuracy, and it will show detected and show the advice. Let's go back. You can see it will also store the history, the file detected and time. Now upload any other image. Let's upload this image and then click on submit button. Now it will show the left hand side will be the healthy 0.92% accuracy and right hand side will be the breast cancer with 0.82%, and this will be the advice and detected. Let's click on back to detect. Let's upload any other image. Uploading this image and then click on submit button. So it will show the healthy will be the left one with 0.92 and the breast cancer in the right hand side with 0.93%. And it will show the detected and advice. Let's upload another image. It will store the data in database with the file or image and detected and timing. Let's upload one more image and then click on submit button. It will show the both the breasts are healthy with 0.91% and 0.93% accuracy. This is completely website-based project, and Python language is used to develop the project. Django web framework is used to develop the user interface, and YOLO V11 algorithm is used to train the model. So this will be the complete project. If you are in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And thank you friend for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.